Hey, clients. Bill here for a walk and talk. Days like today that remind me time back in college where mentor and friend, Nebraska poet Roy Scheel, looked out across campus, spread open his arms, and said, "This is the weather that brings all the tourists." If you're like me, to quote another hero, David Letterman, I hope you're not, colder weather changes up what happens in the kitchen. Winter brings on perfect opportunity. Bust out the crock pot, stock pot, open up the oven, get a nice loaf of bread going, something that will keep the kitchen nice and warm, even as it's cold outside. Of course, the famous saying, can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. What's interesting about that, there's other options. You can't stand the heat. You could also cook something else. Sort of thing can apply to the markets too. Temperature's been ratcheting up across certain sectors, certain economies. We're not necessarily looking to get out of the kitchen. We just need to switch up our recipes. Put something else in the stove for a bit. Client, some of our recent portfolio moves are aimed to do just that. We're not changing. We're not going to stop eating. We're going to stay in that kitchen. We're going to cook something else for a little while anyway, until the time comes where we need that heat again. You got any other questions? Anything you want to talk about? You know where to find us. 228main.com, online or on Main. Stay warm.